So, you want to know what a landing page is? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm answering that question as well as revealing a few tips and tricks that helped us get a 43% conversion rate on this landing page. The best part, you don't need to be a marketing guru to figure this out. And with the quick information provided in this very video, you can easily implement these tips and tricks to create a landing page that converts again and again and again. Hi, I'm Karan from LYFE Marketing, an award-winning agency that helps small businesses grow online. Let's jump right in. A landing page is a destination page made for a specific audience with a specific goal. Think one page, one purpose. Your landing page should have a clear call to action, eliminating any opportunity for your audience to divert away from the call to action. And because of the laser focus of a landing page, successful landing pages lead to higher conversion rates, increased engagement, and better quality leads. They take away distractions that don't directly point towards your conversion goal. Are landing pages necessary if you have a homepage? Yes. Should you use landing pages even if you already have a great website? Absolutely. Should you use landing pages even if you don't have a high volume of website traffic? Most definitely. Well, before I get too far, do me a favor and like this video so others can see it on YouTube, and subscribe so you don't miss a video that can help you dominate online. Alright, there are two types of landing pages and you use each one depending on your goal. The first type of landing page is called a lead generation landing page. The goal of this landing page is to collect leads for your business. Now, you can accomplish a lead generation landing page in two ways depending on the audience you are targeting and where that audience is in the buying process. If someone is in the research phase of the buying process, you should offer some type of downloadable content that is educational in nature and provides value on your landing page. Things such as ebooks, checklists, and webinars work very well for our clients. Here's an example of a lead generation landing page for someone in the research phase. You see, providing value creates a win-win scenario for you and the potential customers, as they get answers to their questions and you get brand awareness, recall, and contact information, typically in the form of an email address. If your audience is in the purchase phase of the buying process, you should be direct on your landing page by identifying the problem, establishing your company as a solution, and asking for contact information through your call to action. This also creates a win-win scenario for you and the potential customer, as they find a solution that can help them and you get the opportunity to gain a customer once you follow up. Here's an example of a lead generation landing page for someone in the purchase phase. The second type of landing page is a click-through landing page. This type of landing page is more popular among e-commerce, course, and SaaS companies, as they forego trying to capture a lead, and call to action buttons take you right into the checkout flow to purchase. Now that we know the two types of landing pages, let's discuss common characteristics of a high converting landing page. First, navigational menus are removed. As mentioned previously, high converting landing pages focus on one goal, your call to action. To help aid in this goal, remove the navigation from your landing pages to help visitors stay focused and avoid clicking elsewhere. Second, there are call to action buttons above the fold. That's the top part of a web page that's visible without scrolling, and there are call to actions at the bottom of the page. Now, why would you do this? There are people who land on your landing page and will be ready to move forward with your CTA. You want to give them that option. The same is true for those who need more information and will scroll to the bottom of your landing page. So you place a CTA at the bottom of the page so those that make it there are able to move forward with your call to action. Third, the call to action button text is reflective of what will happen next or the end result of taking the action. Think of your CTA button like a GPS. Most people don't travel along a road unless it takes them to a destination they are aware of. Use your CTA button to clearly state what will happen as a result of clicking it. Common CTA button text includes sign up, join now, schedule a call, and others that have more guidance than a simple click here. There you have it, a clear understanding of what a landing page is, the types of landing pages there are, and the characteristics of a high converting landing page. If you have any questions or have other landing page tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you haven't already, like this video to help others find it on YouTube, and subscribe to get other videos to help grow your marketing knowledge. I'm Karan from LYFE Marketing. Until next time.